Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, backup camera, alloy wheels, one owner. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.